So now let's take a look at the solo. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is that iconic guitar solo that features that fuzz tone, octave divider fuzz tone sound. It's got an octave higher above, so it's quite a kind of psychedelic sound. We're starting off here on the 16th fret of the G. So you're picking and hammering from 16 up to 18 on the G. And then you pick and slide from the 16 down to 14. And then we have this. So you're picking 14, 16, 14, slide to 13, and then play that 14. And then we bend up our whole tones, put that together. Then we slide in. And then we're going to drop down a semitone and do a fast hammer on and pull off. And then restrike. So you get that. And then 14, 12. And then we have quite a hard section, that 12, 14, 12, 11, 12 on the D. So you get. Then we're sliding from 14 to 16 on the A. That's really hard, that bit. And then we're going to hammer on and pull off on a slide. Up to 14. Slide up to 16. Back to 12. And then we play 12 again. And then pulling off 16. So you've got to get a stretch there with little finger. Play that really slowly, that bit. That's quite fiddly. It's a really lovely phrase, though. Now, this next bit is really hard. This is probably the hardest bit of the solo. You're going to lay your first finger across, but sort of roll it. So you're playing the top 3 strings. And you resolve to the D strings. So the next section then we start off with a hammer. So it's on the G and then jump to the top E. Fast hammer on pull off. 15 on the B. Then 12 on the top E. So you're hammering then 14 to 15 on the B and then play 14 and then you do a fast hammer there, 12 to 14. And then go and hammer pull off on the 12 to 14 on the B. And then we play 14 on the G. And we gradually bend that up using your first finger in the 13th fret as well. Play 15 on the B string and then strike. And bend the 2 together. So you strike them and bend the G string up, whilst holding that 15th fret. So now let's play through the solo at a slow tempo. 3, 4. So now it's your turn to play through the solo, and I'll see you back here for outro part 1.